Faceless YouTube channels are blowing up right now, and the people running them aren't writers, editors, or video producers. They type one prompt into an AI tool. The tool writes the script, generates the visuals, records the voiceover, picks the music, and delivers a finished video. I tested this myself. Honestly, it felt unfair. If you've been putting off starting a faceless channel because you don't know how to edit, don't have the time, or just don't know where to start, that excuse is gone after this video. Welcome back to Publish to Profit, where beginners become publishers. Here's exactly what you're getting today. A complete step-by-step system for building a fully produced cinematic faceless YouTube video using one AI prompt. No editing skills, no voiceover recording, no expensive software. By the end of this, you'll have your channel set up, your first video idea locked in, and a finished upload-ready video, all with free tools. This is the exact system I'd hand to someone starting from zero. If you're new here, hit subscribe. This is where beginners learn to build real passive income through digital publishing and AI content systems. Here's the niche, and pay attention, because most people are completely sleeping on this. Creators are posting cinematic history videos, showing what ancient cities looked like, what life inside ancient Egypt actually felt like, what Rome looked like at its absolute peak, what Paris and London looked like before electricity existed. These videos are pulling millions of views. I found one channel, active for more than 5 months, already at 23,100 subscribers, their top video already at 800,000 views. A channel that size, in that niche, is conservatively generating between $8,000 and $40,000 a month from ad revenue alone, before sponsorships, before digital products, before anything else. And here's why it works. The storytelling is immersive, the visuals are cinematic, the topics create instant curiosity. Viewers feel like they're traveling back in time, and they can't stop watching. That's why YouTube keeps pushing these videos to bigger and bigger audiences. At P2P, we don't guess. We test, then we teach. This niche works because it delivers real value, and YouTube rewards that every single time. Now here's where it gets interesting. Every part of the video you're about to build, script, visuals, voiceover, music, final edit, gets handled by one tool, one prompt. That's it. The tool is called SJinn AI. You type in a detailed prompt, hit generate, and it builds a fully produced video from scratch. No editing timeline, no recording setup, no searching for music. It does all of it automatically. I've tested a lot of AI tools. Most of them fall apart the moment you actually use them. SJinn AI is different. The output quality has to be seen to be believed. Link is in the description, pinned in the comments too. Go grab it. Let's get into it. Quick pause. If you're new here, Publish to Profit is where beginners build real passive income through digital publishing and AI content systems. Hit subscribe. You don't want to miss what's coming next on this channel. And if you want to go deeper, we have a free Telegram community where we share tools, strategies, and systems that never make it into the videos. Link is in the description. Free to join. People in there are already building their channels right now. All right, let's build. Step 1. Channel setup first. Before you touch SJinn AI, you need a branded channel. A channel that looks intentional gets taken seriously by viewers and by the algorithm. Now, I've already done the heavy lifting for you. I built a free Google Doc with every prompt you need for this entire tutorial. Channel name, description, logo, video ideas, the full SJinn master prompt, the SEO package, everything, ready to copy and paste. To get it, join the free Publish to Profit Telegram community. Link is in the description. The Google Doc is pinned at the top the moment you get in. Open Claude, not ChatGPT, Claude. It produces more natural, cinematic output. That matters in this niche. Copy the channel name prompt from the Google Doc, paste it into Claude. You'll get 10 highly brandable channel name ideas, each one with an explanation of why it works. Pick the one that feels right. Short, memorable, easy to say out loud. Got your name? Go back into Claude. Paste the channel description prompt. Replace the placeholder with your chosen name. Claude generates a polished, SEO-optimized description that sounds human-written. Copy it, save it. Now grab the logo prompt from that same Claude output. Head to Flow, Google's free image tool, paste the prompt. Set ratio to 1:1. Generate 4 variations. Pick the strongest. Download at original size. Open YouTube Studio. Upload the logo, paste the description, name the channel. Done. Don't spend more than 20 minutes on this. Momentum over perfection. Step 2. Video idea generation. Now you need an idea. This is where most beginners waste time, picking something too broad, too boring, or something nobody is searching for. Here's how to do it right. Open Claude. Paste the video ideas prompt from the Google Doc. You'll get 10 high viral potential ideas for this niche, each scored for clickability and visual potential. Pick the one that jumps out. Highest scores on both. That's your strongest bet. But don't stop there. Go to YouTube. Search terms like what ancient Rome looked like, ancient civilizations documentary, lost cities history, filter by this year, sort by view count. Look at what's pulling millions of views on small, newer, faceless channels, not the big networks. The titles performing right now are telling you exactly what the audience wants. Use that to validate your idea. Chosen your idea? Write it down. It feeds directly into the next step. Step 3. Building the master prompt. This step determines everything. The quality of your prompt is the quality of your video. Weak prompt, weak video. Detailed cinematic prompt. Something that looks like it costs thousands to produce. Open Claude. Paste the video creation master prompt from the Google Doc. 2 sections to fill in. Your video idea. Your video duration. Paste your idea in. For duration. I'm entering 3 minutes for this tutorial so I can show you the process quickly on screen. But listen carefully. Your video should never be 3 minutes. Never. Longer videos perform significantly better in this niche. The algorithm rewards watch time. Cinematic history content holds attention for long periods. Aim for 10 minutes minimum. 12 to 15 is better. The longer viewers stay, the harder YouTube pushes your video to new audiences. Both sections filled? Hit generate. What Claude gives you back is a complete production instruction set. Scene-by-scene breakdown, camera directions, narration tone, sound design, music mood, pacing, atmosphere. Everything SJinn AI needs to build your video from start to finish. Read through it once, adjust anything that feels off, then copy the entire output. You're pasting it into SJinn AI right now. Step 4. Generating the video in SJinn AI. Open SJinn AI. Link is in the description. Select Agent Mode. This is the mode that runs the full production pipeline. Start to finish, automatically. Paste your entire Claude prompt into the prompt field. The full thing. Don't shorten it. Don't summarize it. The detail is what drives the quality. Hit Generate. Watch what happens. It builds a full production plan first, every step mapped out before it starts. Then it writes the script. Then Voiceover, section by section. Then, the first scene image. That image becomes the visual anchor for every scene that follows. Consistent style, consistent atmosphere, all the way through. First image ready. It animates it into a video clip. Then scene 2, scene 3, all the way to the final scene. Completely automatic. When every scene is done, it generates background music matched to the mood of your video, runs the final edit, delivers a complete composition timeline. Hit download, your video is ready. Step 5. Adjusting and downloading. Before you download, watch the preview once. If any scene doesn't look right, you don't need to start over. Just tell SJinn exactly what you want changed. Type a prompt. Something like, regenerate scene 3. Wide aerial view of the Roman Forum at midday. Crowds in the streets. Golden hour lighting. Market stalls along the main road. It rebuilds that scene. Matches the visual style of every other scene, done in minutes. Tell it to replace the old scene in the final video. Export the updated version. 1 Google Doc, 1 Claude session, 1 SJinn prompt, a fully produced cinematic YouTube video, ready to upload. Let's recap. 1. You built a branded channel. Claude handled the name, the description. Flow handled the logo. Done in under 20 minutes. 2. You locked in a proven video idea. Claude generated the options. YouTube research validated the demand. 3. You used SJinn AI to turn one master prompt into a fully produced cinematic video. Script, visuals, voiceover, music, final edit, all automatic. That's the system. And everything you need to run it, every prompt, every step, is inside the free Google Doc in the Publish to Profit Telegram community. Link is in the description. Free to join. 30 seconds to get in. Google Doc is pinned at the top. If this gave you value, drop a like. That's all it takes to tell me to keep making content like this. Next, watch the video on how to fully optimize your upload. Title, description, tags, thumbnail. That's what separates videos that get pushed from videos that get buried. It's queued up for you right now. That's everything for today on Publish to Profit. I'll see you in the next one.